Hey coders, have you ever wondered how you can use the print function in your code without importing it? Or how you can call functions like len, abs, and min directly? Sit tight, because today we will see the magic behind Python's built-ins. What exactly is built-ins in Python? Built-ins is a special variable in Python that holds a reference to the built-in namespace. This namespace includes all the built-in functions and variables that are always available in Python. Things like print, len, and input. They come bundled with Python and can be used directly in your code without any imports. Let's take a look at this code. As you can see, we can use print and len directly without importing them from any module. That's because they are part of Python's built-in namespace. But why is built-ins so necessary? Imagine a world where every time you wanted to print something to the console, you'd have to write the low-level code to interact with the system's output stream. Or every time you wanted to find the length of a list, you'd have to implement your own loop to count the elements. Built-ins simplify coding by providing essential functions and variables that are optimized and ready to use. All right, now let's dive into how you can use built-ins directly in your code. Though it is not necessary, but it can be really useful in certain scenarios. By accessing built-ins directly, you can list all the available built-ins and use them in your code. This can be particularly useful for educational purposes when you want to see the full range of built-in functions and variables available in Python. So the next time you use a built-in function like print, take a moment to appreciate the power and convenience it brings to your coding experience. Built-ins are the unsung heroes of Python, working behind the scenes to make our lives easier. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy coding!